Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me again, Miralai. Start. Oh. There's no music on the video. Ayun natin music, wala na yung dun sa video.
The past is everything we want. Don't make us who we are.
We're going to choose something funny. If you want to put something funny like tawa, funny effects, let's put click the audio, then select funny. I have downloaded already here. Like here, like that. Then click the plus, then check. So it's here already. Okay, let's hear the funny.
Oh, I'm undefeated.
Okay, if you're going to switch the volume of this, just click it. Dapat mag-yellow siya kasi na siya yung ine-edit natin. So we're going to put the yellow and then click, then put up para the volume is already.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated.
Much better. And then if you are going to put or to write something on your screen on the video, just click the layer, then click the letter T, text, then put it something you like, for example, exercise every day, like that. Okay, then if you're going to make it big, just put it here, grab it here, then color, I will choose the green one, then check. Okay, that's it. Then scroll up, then I will put something background black because black already, so I will check it on. Then we're going to put it somewhere else. If you like somewhere here, or here, then you're going to choose what font. I will choose this one. Okay, check. The font is already changed. So kaya siya yellow pa rin. So kasi siya yung in-edit natin. So if this is one are going to edit, so make it magi-yellow din siya. So ganun siya, nagi-yellow kung sino in-edit natin. So let's play this one first. Okay, if you want to extend this one, just click it here, then move it here, because if you're going to edit here, the line red, it will not move like that. It will not move. Just move it here. Dapat yung line red is here, so you can move the writings here. Okay, there we go. Then play again. Okay, there it is. Okay, one thing, if you want to put another funny in your video, you just duplicate this one. Just click it on, and there is the 3 dots here in the left side. Just click the duplicate. Okay, duplicate already, then move the other one. If you want to move this one, just long press. Okay, then move it here. Okay, that's it. Okay, play it again.
Oh, I'm undefeated. Oh,
Alright.
jumping out of my skin, pull the
If
cord.
you want to put
Yeah, I believe.
video again, so just move it here to the last, and then another, click the media, then put another video here. I will choose this one. Then there is a transition here. Look at here. Look, this is the second video. You can choose many videos, but mahirapan ka mag-export. Mabigat eh. So, the second video is here. You can edit na. Next time, tuturo ko how to split the videos. Okay? So, for now, so guys, I hope naintindihan nyo. Please subscribe, comments down below, and more videos pa po. See you guys. Thank you. And happy vloggers po sa mga small YouTubers out there. Love you all. Bye-bye.